What's up, guys? So I got my BoxyCharm yesterday. So exciting. I waited to open it because I was really tired and it was really late by the time that I got it. It's just like a fun little surprise. I love it. All right, let's open it up. I can't wait. Ooh, it's February, so you know, Valentine's. So cute. Oh, so excited. All right, let's take a look here. Ooh, what is this? Here, can we see the box in the shot? There we go. Okay, Saturday skin. A sleep mask. Ooh, so fun. Can't wait to try that. Let's open her up because just got to. I just love the packaging on all these things too. Like, I don't know what it is. The packaging just, super cute. Ooh. Comes with a little guy to get your mask out. Oh, can I open that? Ooh. It has a fresh scent, but like, I can't really tell what it is. It's super mild, but fresh. And it's super cool. I don't know if you can see the texture really, but it looks like it has like, it almost looks like it's like blended lemon. Can't wait to use that. Maybe used 3 to 5 times a week. All right. Very cool. Definitely going to use it. Okay, what's this little guy? Oh, is this makeup brushes? Fun. Oh, if I could get it out. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, these are too cute. I love them. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's hearts. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. Love, 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 love. They're just adorable. I love them. All right, so we got just the different makeup brushes, which are really great because I kind of need, I mean, I have a ridiculous amount of makeup brushes, but this just means that I can get rid of some older ones. So yay. And also, like, you can never have enough eyeshadow brushes, especially when you put on, like, you know, multiple shades. You need multiple brushes. Oh my gosh, I love them. They're so pretty. Makes me happy. Happy Valentine's Day to me. C'est quoi ça? Oh. This is Eye Duo Good Vibes Mascara and Eye Pencil. Okay, so far, this I guess will be my third mascara. Well, I haven't gotten an eye pencil before, but third mascara. And I have loved every single one of them. I think my favorite, well, I mean, I haven't tried this one, but my favorite is this guy, the Man-Eater. It is the best. Love, 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 love it. So yeah, they haven't disappointed me yet with mascaras, so hopefully this one's just as awesome. Whoa, what is this? Flip down to curl. Okay. Oh. Okay, you can do a little curly. I don't know why these scare me. I never use eyelash curlers, but very cool that it comes with that. And I just want to open it up to see what kind of brush it comes with. All right. Very cool. I will definitely have to try that out. Ooh, I have no clue what this is. I can't read any. Liner Duo, okay. I can never open anything. Ooh, Love Letter and Secret Admirer. 2 lip liners that I will definitely use. Love, love, love. Yay. I needed some lip liners, so that's awesome. Oh my goodness. What kind of palette is this? This is beautiful. Love the packaging on that. Oh, this is our last item. So sad. Little Harlow snorting in the background there. Okay. Very pretty colors. Now I'm waiting for a foundation. I've gotten a palette in every single one of my BoxyCharms. I haven't gotten foundation, so I really hope that I get foundation next month. I'm running out of mine. Absolutely love what I just opened up. Can't wait to try the face masks or the nighttime mask, vitamin C mask, and absolutely love my brushes. They're so fun. Anyways, super happy with what I got. Hope you guys liked what I got as well, and I will definitely review and tell you my thoughts on all the different products that I got today. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.